every day we have micro tear, micro damage, this and that happens. But the human body is so amazing, as is most of nature, in that it's got the ability to self-repair all day long, every day. You give it the right micronutrients, you give it the right vitamins, the right environment, and whatever happens, you're gonna be able to repair it. Why? Because we got macrophages just waiting to do that. It's like having a maintenance team outside of your house at all times. Anytime something happens, you just say, hey, come in, unplug my toilet. Oh, hey, my garbage disposal got clogged with a quarter that somebody threw down it. They're just there ready, waiting for general tissue maintenance. They're alternatively activated into M2 or resolving and healing by certain proteins. So TNF beta, IL-4, which is interleukin 4, IL-13. So certain proteins make it that macrophages more like they're rebuilding or whatever and fixing things. Other signals, which is like the damage associated molecular pattern, IL-6, TNF alpha, advanced glycation end products, lipopolysaccharide toxins, okay, from leaky gut, pathogen associated molecular patterns. That's going to make your macrophages M1, and that's when your maintenance team's just going to come in here with some sledgehammers and start breaking off drywall. You don't really want that in most cases. You really just want the guys to come in and fix things, right? That's the problem with chronic inflammation, is you're always destroying, damaging, cleaning up, and there's never any sort of repair. And that's what we're trying to get you out of. So you want a good balance of M1 and M2, and you want it balanced appropriately at the right time. Right after you sprain an ankle, you want heavy on the M1s, but very shortly thereafter, you need heavy on the M2. Problem is, our systems are all messed up because of all of the bad signals we're getting from diet, poor sleep, mental stress, things like that. And then you have less tissue repair, less healing. So chronic inflammation is essentially useless. Not vital for anything. It lasts from months to a lifetime for people. It is terrible for your system.